folks, I have an alto ukulele to show you today. This is number 846. And remember, alto is my design. It's like halfway between soprano and concert. And it's I think it's just a nice all-around small size instrument. This is for a repeat customer who has several bean sprouts. And she wanted another alto but with a brighter tone. So we chose a spruce top for this one. It's a one-piece Bearclaw spruce top. It's got lots of really cool figure in it here that I really like. And then I thought maybe maple for the back and sides, but we don't want it to be too bright. So she chose some curly koa for the back and sides. This koa is from our friend Bart, his sawmill on Oahu. And then I made a little mahogany neck. And then for the other hardwoods on here, we use jatoba, which is Brazilian cherry. It's a salvaged wood that I get from flooring scraps. I think it was pretty popular in the 90s for flooring and decks and things like that. It's a very hard, stable wood that's really good for fretboard, headplate, and bridge. And I think it's got the right color palette. And then here, the thing that you're wondering about is this little quilt square inlay. So Stephanie is a quilter, and she just wanted any sort of quilt inlay on there. And I did some research where I looked up traditional quilt squares and also traditional Pennsylvania Dutch quilt squares, and also barn hexes and barn quilts from the place where my family comes from in Pennsylvania. I thought it would be cool to just kind of make something that references that. So that's what I went for. It's got 3 colors of, oh no, this part has got, yeah, just walnut and maple on this part. It's like triangles and squares made out of little wooden pieces. And then for other parts of the instrument, I used some of the squares, 3 colors of wood squares for the end graft. And then there's another little square right here on the heel cap. So yeah, that's out of my comfort zone. I worked really hard on it, and I think it looks cool. And I think obviously, like, the quilting folk art connection is kind of a no-brainer for us. So. So yeah, it feels good. It was a big challenge, but I'm happy I did it. I think the spruce and koa was a good idea. So that's number 846. Cheers.